Now we are going to do January shift question, that is the P block, JEE Main 2025. Question number 1. Consider the following element: indium, thallium, aluminium, Pv, Sn and Ge. The most stable oxidation state of element having the highest and lowest. Okay, so that is the group 13 and group 14, they mix together. तो ये memory based question हो गया. The highest ionization होती है germanium की because of the size, and lowest होती है indium की. So germanium is generally showing the +4 and here it is showing the +3, most stable oxidation number. So your answer should be 3. Given below the atomic number of the group 14 elements. Okay, ये atomic number दिए हुए हैं. The atomic number the element with lowest melting point. तो melting point order पहले पता होना चाहिए. तो चलो family लिख लेते हैं. Carbon, silicon, germanium, Sn and Pv. And their atomic number is, ये हो गया 6. So 6 plus 8 करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा 14. 14 plus 18 करेंगे तो इसका नंबर हो जाएगा 32. 32 plus 18 करेंगे तो नंबर हो गया 50. और 50 plus 32 करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 82. Sn का melting point सबसे कम होता है. That is again memory based question. Lowest melting point Sn is lowest. The order will go like this way: carbon, silicon, germanium, Pb and Sn. That is the melting point order. So Sn have 50, so answer should be 4. Now we are going to do the question of 15, 16, 17, 18 family. Here the question 1 is given. The incorrect statement among the following is, so PH3 show lower proton affinity than ammonia. That's right. Ammonia is a better donor of the lone pair, so better base. So this is right. SO2 can act as oxidizing agent but not reducive agent. This is not right. So your answer should be 2. Why it is happening? Sulfur oxidation number here, it is happening +4, but it can exceed till +2 and can decrease till -2. तो वो दोनों की तरह काम कर लेगा. तो इसलिए सेकंड गलत हो गया. थर्ड ऑप्शन देखते हैं. PF3 exists but NF5 doesn't. बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. NO2 can dimerize easily, बिल्कुल, और convert into N2O4. So that is also right. तो हमारा आंसर सिर्फ और सिर्फ कौन सा होने वाला है? सेकेंड नंबर, इट शुड बी द आंसर. Question 2. A group 15 element form d-pi bond with the transition element. It show hydride, which is the strongest base among the hydride of the other group member, and form the d-pi bond, the atomic number of the element. Okay, so d-pi bonding is done by only phosphorus. 15 family is a nitrogen family. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, where phosphorus is showing the d-pi bonding and pH3 is a good base also. So your atomic number will be 15. Answer is 15. The maximum covalency of the non-metallic group 15 element, the weakest EE bond. Okay, so if we talk about nitrogen phosphorus, nitrogen bond strength is weaker than the PP because of the lone pair repulsion. So they are asking the maximum covalency of the non-metallic group with the weakest. So this is the weakest and its covalency is only 4 because of the absence of d orbital. We have question 4. The large difference between the melting and boiling point of oxygen and sulfur may be explained on the basis of. So atomicity, oxygen is O2 and sulfur is S8. Can be the answer. Electron gain enthalpy, no. Electronegativity, no. Atomic size, no. Okay, answer should be based on the atomicity only. Which of the following electrolytes can be used to obtain H2S2O8 by the process of the electrolysis? So this is theory based question and we have done it. H2SO4 is gonna be dissociate into H plus ion and HSO4 minus. And this HSO4 minus is gonna be dimerized and will convert into H2S2O8 plus 2 electron. So your answer should be 4. Concentrated solution of the H2SO4 can give us the H2S2O8. So this is all about the P block questions. So for more updates के लिए ChemTide को follow करो, गौरव रॉय को follow करो, and और भी inorganic chemistry के PYQs आ रहे हैं. Before exam you all have to finish it properly. उससे बेहतर rank भी आएगी और बेहतर score भी आएगा. Thank you.